So today we have 2 celebrity guests, step 1.5. With the Braille logo on there, so sick. Are you excited for this ramp? Oh wow, legit directions. Thank you, Keen Ramps. Truth is, if I can build this quarter pipe, anyone can build it. Come on, get it. You know you want it. Go ahead. My name's Kyro. I'm a sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area. And today, I'm gonna teach you how to build a quarter pipe. All right, so today we have 2 celebrity guests. The first one right here, his name is Ollie. He's the one with the black, brownish, whatever you want to call those eyes. He's the fearless sweetheart. Mothers lock up your daughters. And number 2, we have Blue. His name is Blue because his eyes are blue. Aren't you? Aren't you? And today we're gonna build a quarter pipe. And we're gonna teach the people how. Specifically, this is the Keen Ramps Braille skateboarding quarter pipe. So it's gonna come to your home in a box similar to this, which is pretty much the world's heaviest box you've ever seen. I have no idea how to do this, but we're gonna work our way through it as well as you guys. And you guys, feel free to just toss in any jokes or advice you got, okay? They're naturals. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna get a drill and you're gonna go to the part of the box which is like the most unlikely part to open the box, and you're gonna take the drill and you're gonna, have you not seen any of the videos? This is where you steer clear. Steer clear of the box, dude. This is where injuries happen. And you're gonna try and open it like that. Ollie, here. That's your cue. Get that part. What are you doing? Sleeping on the job again? I guess you could go like that. There you go. Thanks, Blue. You gotta make some grunting noises as you're trying to open it. This might be really hard with the dog in my lap the whole time. What are you doing? You fell asleep mid the video? Wow. I guess we can see how good our videos are these days. Got him. What are you doing? What are you guys doing? And then I guess after that, you kind of hold on to one side. This is a tutorial, by the way. I think this is step 1.5. And you go like that. And then open it up. So I guess we're just gonna separate the pieces out here. So we got this metal piece. That is for the bottom of it. And then these top pieces, whoa! So beautifully painted Braille blue. Look at that. Look at that, Ollie! Look at that! With the Braille logo on there, so sick. Are you supervising? How am I doing? Am I making it okay? I give it a 3 out of 10. You guys sign the release forms? All right, good. And then this, they were like, Aaron, we're gonna send you a thing and you're gonna build it. I don't know if they realize, I don't know how to build anything. I'm gonna guess that there's some directions in here. I know you thought that was food. It's actually directions. Oh wow, legit directions. Thank you, Keen Ramps. So this ramp, literally the Braille version of this ramp, is available right now. You guys are the laziest workers I've ever had. Keen Ramps. Yeah, link in the description below. So step 1, attach 2x4s to transition sides using 2.5-inch screws on each end. We recommend getting help holding up each transition side. You guys gonna help me? Nothing. 2.5-inch screws. So the 2.5-inch screws are the bag of the longer screws, just so you know. We're gonna need those screws. What the heck? What are you doing, Ollie? He's trying to help, that's true. You're a good boy. What a good boy. Slackers. So cool. So if you're actually building this at home, get somebody to help you. Don't be an idiot like me. Wow, that worked incredibly well, actually. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They're reading the directions. They're just gonna call off the sections to do. I love it because they pre-drill holes, so it's very easy. You know where to put the screws, and they have pencil marks on the side, so you know where the 2x4 is gonna go. Much better than the other side. Yes, sir. They did have a pretty long day. Played outside and then came here and shredded the whole course. Okay, so now we're going the back top and the front bottom. I'm gonna do the front bottom first because I feel like it's gonna be a little bit easier. Truth is, if I can build this quarter pipe, anyone can build it.
Right in the shot.
Now, this back one. Come help me hold this, dude. Come on. I'm so smart. Or maybe Keen Ramps is so smart. Maybe slightly a bit of both. Is it gonna hold? Is it gonna hold? Kind of. I love Blue's face. Sheer look of just exhaustion. Keen Ramps. Link in the description below. Shout out level 3000. This is a cool collab ramp though. Okay, attach remaining 2x4s and metal coping to the top before attaching deck top using the screws. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing with the rest of the 2x4s in the middle. Continue attaching 2x4s spine up the ramp with 2.5-inch screws while keeping the short side of the wood flush with the curve. Okay. Just take a look ahead and see what we got. Seriously? You're just passed out? Straight up passed out. Puppies, man, they sleep a lot. Acclimated to their new job. This is your job. You are expected to produce here. So I don't know if you guys can really tell, but you take the top of it and you curve it, and you can see there's these lines here that they drew. So you curve the wood in the middle so it's the same as the transition. This might be the first tutorial where somebody actually learns how to build a ramp that we did about ramps. Yes, sir. First try. Super easy to put together. All you need is a drill. Okay, attach remaining 2x4s and metal coping to the top before attaching deck top using 8 1-inch screws. There we go!
It's like super quick.
Yeah, right? I have this put together in no time. If only it was that quick to actually learn how to do tricks on it. Well, we did do a Skateboarding Made Simple for ramps. What do you think? What do you think about that? That's where you grind. Yeah, ollie, that's where you do an ollie. Yeah. You like that? Satisfactory? Like, whatever, dude. Whatever you say, dude. One more screw hole right here. Perfect. Dude, rock solid. Okay, now I think you do the top piece. Should we do a skateboard and just make it with these wheels?
Yes.
Have we done that yet? If we've done that, leave it in the comments below. Okay, now this one. Take the 1-inch screws, not the 2.5-inch. Yeah, that's the one you were trying to eat, dude. Are you excited for this ramp? You want this ramp to come to our house? Do you want to learn to skate at home? I feel like they should be 6 feet apart. So I don't know if you can see this, but there's pre-sunk holes. Just use those. Nice. It's like bring your pets to work day. Leave it in the comments below and let us know. What kind of pet do you have, huh? What do you got? I feel like maybe now we have the Braille House dogs. Maybe we should get some Braille House cats, Braille House iguana, and maybe some birds to fly around.
Can I bring my rats?
Yeah, sure.
Could teach them how to tech deck. It's like an actual.
If you can teach a rat how to tech, yes, that would be amazing. Okay, so back to the matter at hand. It says coping, arrow, first layer, right. So that means this side is going on the right-hand side, and this arrow that says coping is going up towards the coping. And we're gonna do this just because I don't really know how to build a ramp. We're gonna put first layer left, coping up. Now I'm pretty sure from my days in Vietnam that how you do this is you start from the top and you go down. So I'm just gonna see if the directions here give us any kind of say on this. This is step 2, just so you know. It says attach the 3/8 layers of plywood, placing the 1-inch screw at every intersection. There should be 24 total. We mark our plywood with red chalk as a guide. Yes, they do. Attach the 2 1/4-inch layers of birch using 18 1-inch screws per each side. So the birch are the ones that are painted blue. So we're gonna go through and do the bottom ones first. It doesn't totally specify in the directions if you start on the bottom or you start on the top, but I'm pretty sure you start on the top. So you can get it up to that coping, push it right up against there, push it down, and then kind of use your foot to, again, slide it up as best you can. Might be easiest to do this part if you put the ramp against the wall, but we're just gonna wing it. Like they say in Australia, that's a good wang danga. Note to self, charge your drill. How do you think they know where to put these lines? I guess you guys can kind of see what I'm doing, but you can see the red line here, and then on the intersection with that line, you just screw it down, and you want to have your foot on there so it does actually like slant. First layer done's out. What do you guys think? Are you impressed with your dad's ability to build? 2 1/4-inch layers of birch using 18 screws. Wow, there's a lot going on there.
Oh, I thought that went on the back.
Come on, get down here. Skate this ramp. What do you think, Blue? Huh? Could you do a modeling shoot in front of this? He's like, I'm not a model. I'm a skater. I feel like if I don't set these up next to each other, I'm gonna mess something up, so I just gotta do it. Cause see, I could have put the B so it's kind of in the middle of the ramp. Could have gone there. I feel like washing my shoes before I step on it, but it's a dirty place, huh, guys? Your mom's gonna be like, you gotta give him a bath now. I don't think they want a bath. They're like smelling like a farm in Montana. This part's important. Get down here, dude. In fact, bring me the screws. According to the internet, these are the world's smartest dogs, the smartest breed of dog. One of these dogs memorized the name of 1,000 different toys. And that's why he won. They wrote a book about it. World's smartest dog.
Now look at the smartest.
And what do I get? Nothing but fighting. What are you doing? Come on, this is workplace harassment. Probably should have seen if that was more lined up. Feels okay. I'm actually doing this really good. Right?
The way they've made it, I think it's very hard to mess it up.
Yeah, they definitely made it idiot-proof. I'm a true test of that. You guys have ramps at home? Leave it in the comments below and let us know what you're skating. Get in here, Blue. He loves vert. I know, dude. You're not supposed to skate it until it's built. For real. This is the crucial part, though, getting this. Okay, I'm gonna screw this one in. Just that one. Oh, I literally didn't screw this one. There you go. Actually, it looks okay. I guess I'll just go down. You're not making this easy here. Come on, working dog, get in here. You were bringing me that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for bringing me that. What a good boy. This is... Okay, well, I might have had a little bit of a gap right here. That little thing right there is not gonna mess anybody up. Right? We kept running up the banks, and then him, Ollie, would run down the bank, and this guy would run down the quarter pipe. How's that, Blue? That's my boy, Blue. That's my boy. This is building a ramp 101. Thanks for your help, buddy. Thank you. You're doing such a good job. What do you think this is, a skate park? All right, what's the next step? Drill into the quarter pipe and do that part. What are we doing, dude? What are we doing? Okay, so I think that's it. I think all we do now is we put the metal on the bottom. Drill 4 holes into ramp using transition threshold as a guide. Make sure threshold hangs off of the birch by 1 inch. Okay, so that means I'll show you what it means. It's easier to show than explain. And then tilt the ramp up using insert bolts and tighten with a washer and nut underneath. And then it says, get buck on your shred stick. Get buck on your shred stick. I guess we need something to drill a hole with. Did you guys bring the ruler? Can you grab the ruler, please? Thank you. Thank you so much. I love you too. Yep, you're my favorite. I think an inch is about that part of your finger, huh? Does that look good? So you just use the pre-existing holes and just drill a hole. I know. So we couldn't find exactly the right drill bit, so it's a little bit small. So we gotta do a little extra boring. Surprised I didn't break the drill bit yet, that's okay. They were like, oh, it's ready to skate? Let's skate. So maybe that worked good, that it wasn't totally perfect, because now you don't even need the bolts on the other side. Kidding, you do, but that did work quite well. Perfect. Why is this like the fastest ramp we've ever built? I'm gonna take this nifty handle, which is right here, and you're gonna lift it up. Thanks for your help. Single washer, then the nut. Who's doing the Braille drop first? Whoever does the Braille drop gets an extra bowl of kibble. I know what sabotage you have. Yeah, if I break this thing, no more.
Up here. Come up here, Ollie.
Oh my goodness. Enough. Okay, so I need something to feel like if I was a real professional skateboarder, I would take this and I would tighten it up with an actual tool. So with that being said, you guys ready to skate it? You ready? You're like, sure. Oh yeah. Sweet Mother of Mary. Completed. Come on, Blue. Get up here, buddy. Come on, get it. You know you want it. Go ahead. He's like, Dad, I didn't really want to break in the ramp first. I wanted you to do it, but that's okay. Kind of want to take a bunch of pictures on this before we skate it, so I'm probably not going to skate it much. But that's how you build a ramp, guys. If you have any questions at all on how to build the corner pipe or anything at all, leave it in the comments below. I'm going to give it its first drop in. Alright guys, so that's how to build the Braille Skateboarding Keen quarter pipe. You can get your own quarter pipe, link in that description below, and if you have any questions on how to build it, any questions at all, leave it in the comments below and these guys will be going through and answering, right supervisors? A huge thanks to Ollie and Blue. You guys were a big help in this whole building process. Check out all those videos right there, subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, be safe, learn to skateboard, take this time, and have some fun.